Welcome to a special Today in History moment. Today, December 9th, holds some fascinating chapters. Imagine the year 1824. Across the Andes Mountains, Simón Bolívar's forces achieved a pivotal victory at the Battle of Ayacucho, a triumph that ultimately secured the independence of Peru and marked a significant turning point in the South American liberation movements. It's a powerful reminder of the courage and determination it takes to fight for freedom. Fast forward to 1968, and the world saw the debut of the Boeing 747, the iconic jumbo jet. This revolutionary aircraft didn't just change air travel, it made the world feel a little smaller, opening up new possibilities for connection and exploration for millions. And in 1992, the world witnessed the beginning of the United Nations peacekeeping mission in Somalia, a complex endeavor aimed at providing humanitarian aid and restoring order. It highlights the ongoing global commitment to helping those in need. These are just a few of the impactful events that unfolded on this day. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into history. Thank you for joining us.